सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाई डिड द स्नाइपर थिंक दैट इट रिस्की टू स्मोक? इसका आंसर है ही थॉट इट रिस्की टू स्मोक बिकॉज द फ्लैश ऑफ द सिगरेट माइट बी सीन इन द डार्कनेस. देयर वर एनिमीज वॉचिंग, ही कुड बी किल्ड. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, देयर वर एनिमीज वॉचिंग, ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक द रिस्क. डू यू थिंक द स्नाइपर वॉज केयरलेस? गिव एविडेंस फ्रॉम द लेसन टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है द स्नाइपर वॉज केयरलेस बट ही कुड नॉट रेजिस्ट द अर्ज टू स्मोक. He should not have taken this risk. The flash was seen by the enemy. As he lit his cigarette, a bullet hit against the parapet of the roof. Then he put down the cigarette after taking a pull. आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 जो है बिल्कुल भी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, जिसे हम कवर नहीं करेंगे. सीधे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, जिसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाई डिड द स्नाइपर किल द मैन इन द आर्मर्ड कार एंड द ओल्ड वुमेन? इसका आंसर है द स्नाइपर किल्ड द मैन इन द आर्मर्ड कार, अदरवाइज ही वुड हैव shot the sniper dead. He shot down the woman because she was an informer. Had her life been spared, she would have gone to some other soldier and informed him about the sniper's presence on the roof. Next, question number 7. How was the sniper injured? How did he realize that he had been hit? इसका आंसर है from the opposite roof, a shot range out and the sniper dropped his rifle with a curse. The rifle clattered to the roof. He bent to pick the rifle up. He could not lift it. He realized that he had been hit. Next, question number 8. How did he assess the damage to his hand? इसका आंसर है the sniper crawled back to the parapet. With his left hand, he felt the injured right forearm. Blood was oozing through the sleeve of the coat. He had a deadened sensation as if the arm had been cut off. He had a hole in his bone. Next है question number 9. The sniper realized that his escape was difficult because. इसका आंसर है his escape was difficult because the enemy covered his escape. Next है question number 10. Who was the sniper who was killed? इसका आंसर है he was the Republican sniper's brother. Next है question number 11. What is the conflict found in the sniper? Is there more than one? इसका आंसर है the conflict found in the sniper is a person versus person. He represents the Republicans and he is fighting against the soldiers of free staters. Later on, the sniper cuts himself. It could be called a conflict of a person against oneself. Sorry. Next and last question, what is a metaphor? इसका आंसर है it is an expression to describe a person or object in a literary way. It refers to something that is considered to have similar characteristics to the person or object which you are trying to describe. For example, the mind is an ocean and the city is a jungle.